Hi, as you are looking, that is Lewis from Young Life. Hi, Lewis.
Fine.
This is Scout Day. Are you enjoying?
Yes, I'm enjoying very
Very much.
Yes.
And what do you have to say?
I have to say that I saw today that was an amazing day.
Amazing day.
And I'm going to touch the best display people in the world.
Oh, so you're looking forward to continue being in that movement?
Yes.
Looking forward, Lewis. So, teacher, you can tell us something about Young Life or anything about the day?
The day was good. At least there is something that you've learned about the environment. So we should conserve our environment by ensuring that we keep clean and also ensuring that we plant trees.
Oh, that's...
So the project that you have been given out of this outing is planting at least 5 trees per students in a month. So I hope out of it you are going also to learn about how we are supposed to conserve our environment through planting trees.
Oh, that's good. Thank you, teacher.
Thank you.
Oh, I can see boys here. I can see everybody. I can see Monica. I can see a beautiful girl riding. I can see so many things here, so many children. Can see so many children had come for the event. Yeah, it's important that sometimes we should take our children to such events.
Go get your tissue.